Welcome to TinkerSpace. Today let's make water level monitoring system through IoT. Here we have used water level sensor as the input, TinkerSpace Brain Board, and here we have used the smartphone as the output. It is connected to the TinkerSpace Brain Board through internet. Here we have used two connecting wires and power supply. Let's connect the components. Here we have connected the water level sensor to the input 1 and input 2, and we have connected the smartphone to the TinkerSpace Brain Board through internet. We are done connecting the components. Now let's do the coding.
Now let's do the coding. Open the TinkerSpace app. Now choose the Tinker board. I will select Brain Board. Now click on Create New Project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on Save New Project. Here, the design space has been opened. Now, as per the hardware connection, I will add the input devices. Here I added general connector as input 1 and input 2. Now go to the menu and click on Save. The generated design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Go to Codespace. The Codespace has been opened. Now click on Add or Edit Input Condition. Select Hardware Input Condition. Now let's combine both input cases with AND logic. Now click on Select this condition. Now in the first condition, in custom message, in the string message 1, I will type tank is empty. Now click on Save Settings. In the second condition, in the custom message, in string message 1, I will type halfway full. Now click on Save Settings. Now in the fourth condition, in custom messages, in string message 1, I will type tank is full. Now click on Save Settings. In the IoT output 1, in the first condition, I will select custom message 1, tank is empty. Now click on Save Settings. In the second condition, in our IoT output 1, I'll select custom message 1, that we added halfway full. Save Settings. The third condition I will keep in do nothing. In the fourth condition, in the IoT output 1, I will select custom message 1, tank is full. Now click on Save Settings. Now in the water level monitoring IoT, now in the first condition means the input 1 sensor off and input 2 sensor off, means the both sensors are not detecting the presence of a water inside the tank. So that means the water is empty. So we need to send a notification as tank is empty. So we type the condition in custom messages as tank is empty, and in the notification we will get a message in IoT message box as tank is empty. In the second condition, input 1 sensor on and input 2 sensor off, means the first sensor is detecting the presence of a water and the second sensor is not detecting the presence of a water, means the water is halfway full. So we written halfway full in the custom messages. So the notification that we get in the IoT message box is halfway full. In the third condition, input 1 sensor off and input 2 sensor on, means the first sensor is not detecting the presence of a water, and in the input 2, the sensor is detecting the presence of a water. So this condition will not going to be met, because that means the water is not at the bottom but the water is at the top. So this condition will not going to be applied. So we put it in do nothing. And in the fourth condition, input 1 sensor on and input 2 sensor on, means the bottom sensor is detecting the presence of a water and the top sensor is detecting the presence of a water. So that means the tank is already filled, so we need to send a notification as tank is full. So like this, the water level monitoring IoT coding works. After generating the code, click on Save Code. The generated code has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Upload Code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is Tinkers125. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1. Turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to TinkerSpace.in and the password is Tinkers123. Step number 2. Click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3. Click on search my device button. Now the device is searching and the device is connected. Now click on upload code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
We're done testing our project. Now let's implement it in a model. Here we have finished the model of our project. Here we have fixed water level sensor as the input, TinkerSpace Brain Board as the brain, and smartphone as the output. The smartphone is connected to the TinkerSpace Brain Board through internet. Now let's do the demo. When the tank is empty, the message will show that the tank is empty. When the tank is halfway full, the message will be shown as the tank is halfway full. And when there is full water, the message will be shown as the tank is full.
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our TinkerSpace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open TinkerSpace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway TinkerSpace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected with us.